How to conduct an ultrasound test, NST CTG test. Click on New Test Ultrasound on the monitoring software. Long press the power button of the FHR probe. The screen on the probe will light up as an indication. Connect the Toco probe to the FHR1 probe as shown. Apply a little gel on the depression on the backside of the probe. The monitoring software will suggest locations for probe placement. Once the fetal heart rate is located, secure the probe with the belts provided. Press stop to end the test and press yes to enter the patient details. In the patient details, you can enter the patient ID, name, age, doctor's name, gestational age, gravidity, parity, and risk factors. Then press Save and Exit and press Confirm to save the patient details. Now, we can view the report with fetal heart rate, uterine activity, fetal movement, patient details, and analysis. The analysis is based on the NICE guidelines. After the test, remove the belts, clean the excess gel from the probe, and turn off the probe. For any service and customer support, please reach out to info@InnAccel.com or 8050 421 876.